beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. I'm back with another video, and as y'all can see, I already got getting started. Look at all this lovely long hair that I'm about to put up in crochet braids. So that is what we're doing today. My client, she's a frequent crochet wearer because she has some issues in the front of her hair, and she's letting it grow out, and it's growing lovely, but this her go-to style, and plus she works out. So like I always say, don't let your hair stop you from working out. So this is my go-to braid pattern, which is the straight back in the front and the circle in the back. And like I said, this is my go-to. I do this for almost every crochet install that I do, except if the client requests a different braid pattern. So, or if they wanted a different way, like well, with this one you can put it up in a ponytail, but some of them, like, of course, going on YouTube and seeing the different braid patterns, they want the single squares braided up into the crochet pattern, if I explained that right. But yes, so yes, this is what we're getting into today. Just first, we're gonna braid this lovely hair on down. All right. So as you can see, I am braiding the back in the circle. Like I said, this is my go-to. And if this is your first time seeing one of my crochet videos, the reason why I braid it in a circle in the back, because to me it lays better, especially if you're doing the loose hair crochet. Well, for either one, for loose hair or if you're doing the braids or twists, to me it just lays better and it gives you more coverage. So that is the reason why I braid in a circle. If this is your first time watching, yes girl, braiding in a circle, make it lays better. All right. Alright, so I'm done braiding, and I always put some iGrow stimulating growth oil on my client's scalp. This is a lightweight growth oil, and every time I put it on my client's scalp, they're like, girl, what you just put on my head? That feels good. So yes, just a little, like I said, not totally oiling her scalp to death. Just a little goes a long way. So that's what we're doing before I braid that end down, and then I'm going to get to crocheting. All right, so the hair I'm using today is Lulutress Poly 3C hair. This is a 2, and then I'm going to use a 99J. So, but I'm going to mostly use the 99J and kind of tone it down a little bit with the number 2. So that's what hair we doing, with what I'm doing today. I like this hair. It's very soft. It wasn't really tangly, but yes, it was easy to separate. And this is the rubber band around it. I do not like when they put that rubber band. I go ahead and cut that off so I can have all of these strands. So it's about 5 strands in one band. So yeah, I take that off, especially for the front, because I like to do the front in small pieces, not in large pieces. And then also, when you do it with the band, for me, it doesn't stay secure. And I also like to loop it more than just once. With this hair, I looped it about 5 times just so it could stay nice and secure. And yes, that's what I'm doing. Like you can see, I'm already on the back because I mean, if you've seen one crochet, you've seen them all. You don't need to see the whole install. I didn't think you guys would want to see all of that, so I just showed you the back part. And with the back part, I always space it out so it won't be so big. Even though she likes her hair big, I don't put it close together, especially in the back and the middle. So I kind of spread it out and it still falls into place. So yes, and you can already see it's coming along. I really like this color, the 99 jade, and she really liked it too. I mean, of course she picked it out. But yes, and like I said, I toned it down a little with the 2. So yes, all right. All right, so I'm all done, and what I like to do when I'm finished is just to go through to see if I can fill in any spaces, especially in the front, and especially how she's going to wear it. If she's going to wear a specific part, I make sure that is nice and filled in as well. And I like to let the client look, feel it, go through it, see if they want me to add more, just to make sure that the install is up to their expectations and what they want. So like I said, here I am just filling in some spots, and yeah. And then I'm gonna trim and cut the ends. She liked to keep it the same length. I just, kind of even it off, make sure it's cut neatly. And we're gonna finish this job. All right. All right, so I'm all done, and one last thing, we have to make sure we get those edges nice and slick. I'm not one to do all the wavy, swirly edges, and plus my clients, most of them really do not like them. They just want their edges laid and slick. So I'm using my I Lay Edges edge control just to get her edges nice and laid down. But yeah, that's just what I'm doing. So we're coming to the end of the video. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. Thumbs up if you like my reaction. Thumbs up if you like this video. I have a reaction channel too, excuse me. Thumbs up if you like this video. Comment, have you used Lulutress before and how do you like the hair? And follow me on Instagram at HERSTYLEZ with a Z 15. Also TikTok, the same, HERSTYLEZ with a Z 15. All right, folks. Like I said, she don't like her hair nice and neat. She just like it is. All right, folks. So I will see you on the next one.